Now to get this panel out of the lower aspect of the bumper, you can carefully use a pick. All I want to do is gently get in between this area of the grille and this area. I'll gently pry. There we are. We'll have a look from the back side. On the back, you can see that you have this area that was in the bumper right there, and the area that we pried on had these 3 locking tabs. They essentially just popped right out of their corresponding holes. Now the next thing you want to do is move along to this area. You want to pull out the safety strap. Sometimes one of the ears is out in the open. Other times you just kind of have to wiggle it around and it should want to pop right out of there. There it is, friends. Let's get ready for our installation. Looking at the back side, you're going to see that you have this area. You'll also find that you have 3 push tabs. And on the far end, you also have this area that protrudes out. We're going to take this area that protrudes out and slide it into this hole in the bumper. Once it goes in, we'll go ahead and slide it that way. Now let's go ahead and take our safety strap. Generally, I like to grab each of these ears and try to squeeze them in a little bit. Once you have them squeezed in, go ahead and put it into the lower rectangle right here. Give that a little tug, make sure it doesn't fall out. Now we're going to take this ear, slide it into its corresponding hole in the side of the bumper there. And now we're going to take our 3 little clips, line them up with the corresponding holes in the bumper cover, and gently press it in. There we are. Go ahead and grab onto that, give it a little wiggle. Assuming you have the pair, go ahead and do the same on the other side of the vehicle.